Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on this. So now in this very important that how to update app that we can see here now. So today I released one version. So tomorrow I did some of the modifications. After the modifications, I want to release a new APK to the Play Store or to the customer. So how to do that? First, already we seen last time how to create an APK and all. So right now also I want to create one more APK. So then we want to test this. So for to create an APK, here I'm making this folder as empty. So I want to create that APK in this folder. So first of all, I'm generating one signed APK. So here build generate signed APK. In this generate signed APK, I'm selecting the APK. This process already I have some other video. If you want in a detail, just you can go through that. So right now I want to start here this. Here now I'm creating this. So already I have this folder, right? So I'm selecting that folder. So in this folder I want to do this folder. So in this, here in this again I want to create one more folder. So that is APK. So just here I want, oh sorry, we created this. You need to create a new folder. So in this folder, just we want to add this release. So in this there is APK folder. I'm selecting this here. Just the JKS. Already we discussed about this JKS. It should be always you can keep safe. So that we need to create here. So here I'm adding some. So here I'm adding some keys. Here also I'm adding some of the keys. Then here I'm adding this all this data right now. Normally we'll add this organization data and all. So that already I explained in other this. So because of that, just I'm adding this dummy data here. Now after this, here I'm clicking on the next. So from here now I'm able to generate an APK. So that is release APK v1 and v2, both APKs I want to release. Now once this APK is released, that is the first version of APK. So then after this, I want to release one more APK. So then if I want to release one more APK, so how to release one more APK, that we can able to see here now. So this how to create that APK we can able to see here now. See here, once this APK is created, then we need to open Gradle file. So in this Gradle, here there are two options. One is the version code and version name. So must and should you need to change these two. So something this version code here I'm changing this as 2. Here I'm changing this as 1, like this. Something you can change something on this. After this, just you can click on here sync now. So wait, this two processes are going on. It's a little bit confusion. After this, once we had this, so just click on sync now. So once it is data is synced, then we can able to regenerate your new APK. That APK as your updated APK. So on this way we can do every time we need to generate APKs like that only. Means now after this 1.1 version, I may have some more modifications tomorrow and after a few days. And that day also it's the same process. Whenever you are updating anything on the app side, you want to release a new version to the client, this is the mandatory thing you need to do, that you can check this and you can update the version this, so that is you can get this. So just wait, it's once this process has completed we can able to see this. And also in our next video we will discuss about how to create a Play Store account and how to upload app into Play Store and how to update the app in a Play Store. So also I want to add my some of my developers to update an app. So how to add some of the developer accounts into that also we'll discuss in details in our next videos. So here now this is working on, just once it is completed just we can able to see here. So it already I told last time it may take a little bit time. So sometimes it may take 10 minutes, 20 minutes, also depends on your laptop capabilities. So that we need to wait until that process has finished. So it's taking little bit time. So we need to wait until this process has finished. It may take 1 more minute to finish this process. Then afterwards again we can create a new update updated APK. That may take a little bit less time, because first time of creation of the APK only it can take more time. From second time onwards it take very less time to create an APKs. Still it's progress. So it's a Gradle is building. Once this Gradle is building, again we can able to create an APK here. So that is the way we are doing this process here now. See this, once this, because we changed here version code as well as this version. So now once this has completed, then we can able to create a new APK. So this still this is in progress. Yeah, Gradle is building. So once this Gradle is completed, we can able to check this. So almost this Gradle process has completed. So that we can able to check this how this new APK we need to create here now. That provision we can able to check here now. So this is finished now. Here already we updated this. It is synced now. Again here come here generate APK. So already it's because already we did, so it's already there. So directly just click on this. So this APK now whatever the APK is creating, that should be the updated APK. So this APK you can give to the your client. So every time whenever you are doing, you can do the same process like this. So this is about this. So please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.